Hello, Namaskar. I am JVN Dr. Sanwaj Alam, Assistant Professor of Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we discuss about most important concept of research. Today we discuss about the meaning of research. Research is common word that refers to search for knowledge. That is the literal sense of research. One can also define research as a scientific and systematic search for patent information on a specific topic. In fact, research is an art of scientific investigation. The Advanced Learner Dictionary of Current English lay down the meaning of research as a careful investigations or inquiry, especially through search for new fact or any branch of knowledge. Friedman defined the research as a systemized effort to gain new knowledge. Some people consider research as a movement from a known to the unknown. It is actually it is actually a discovery. We all possess the vital instinct of confront our investigation make to probe and attain full and fuller understanding of the unknown. Research, that means the term of research consists of two words. One is re and other is search. Re means again and again, and search means finding something. But finding something by the researcher, but that search not give the proper solutions of particular problem. That is not give a proper solution of topic of the research. If topic of the research, that is not a search. If researcher searching something and that help to the finding the solution of particular problem, that is research. Research is an academic activity, and as such the term should be used in technical sense. According to some expert, comprises defining and defining the problem, formulating the hypothesis, and suggested solution, collecting, organize, and evaluating data, making deduction and reaching conclusions, and at last carefully testing the conclusion to determine whether they fit the formulating hypothesis. Encyclopedia of Social Science define the research as manipulation of things, concepts, and symbols for the purpose of generalizations of extent. Correct or verify knowledge, whether the knowledge add in constructions of the theory or in the practice of an arts. Research is thus the original contribution to the existing stock of knowledge, making for its advancement. It is the pursuit of truth with the help of study, observation, comparisons, and experiment. In short, the research for knowledge through objectives, systematic method of the finding solutions to the problem is research. The systematic approach connecting generalization and the formulation of a theory is also research. As such, the terms research refers to the systematic methods consisting of the proper problem, formulating a hypothesis, collecting the fact of data, analyzing the facts, and reaching certain conclusions. Solution toward the concerned problem or in certain generalization for some theoretical formulations. Objective of research. The purpose of research is to discover answer to questions through the application of scientific procedures. The main aim of research is to find out the truth which is hidden and which has not been discovered. Through each researcher study has its own specific purpose. We may think research objective as following broad groupings. First, to gain familiarity with phenomena or to achieve new insight into it. A study with this objective in the view are termed as formulative research study. Characteristic of particular individuals, situations, or a group. Next, to determine the frequency with which something occurs or with which it is associated with something else. To test a hypothesis of causal relation between variables. Such study are known as hypothetical testing research study. Motivation in research. What makes people to understand research? This is the questions of fundamental importance. The possible motive for doing research may be either one or more of the following. Mainly, desire to get research degree along with its consequential benefits. Next, desire to face the challenge in solving the unsolved problem. That is the concern over the practical problem. Initiative research. Desire to get intellectual joy of doing something creative work. Desire to be service to society. desire to get responsibility. However, this is not an executive list of the factors motivating people to undertake research study. Many more factors such as directive of government, employment conditions, new thing, desire to understand causal relationship, social thinking, and and may as well motivate people to perform research operation. There are various types of research. The basic types of research are as follows. First, descriptive versus analytical research. Descriptive research includes survey and fact-finding inquiry of different kinds. The major purpose of descriptive research is descriptions of the state, affair as in exist at present. In social science and business research, we often use the term ex post facto research for descriptive research study. The main characteristic of the method is that research has no control over the variable. He can only report what has happened or what is happened. Most ex post facto research projects are used to descriptive study in which the researchers measure such items, for example, frequency of shopping, preferences of people, and similar data. Ex post facto study also include attempt by researcher to discover cause even when they can't control the variable. The method of research utilized in descriptive research are survey method of all kinds, including comparative and correlational methods. In analytical research, on the other hand, the researcher has to use fact or information study available, that means the already available, and analyze this to make the critical evaluation or of the materials. Next types of research is applied versus fundamental research. What is basic difference of applied and fundamental research? Research can be applied or actions, research or fundamental to be basis or pure research. Applied research aim at finding a solution for a immediate problem facing a society. That is the also called action research on industrial business organization, where fundamental research is mainly concerned with generalizations and with the formation of a theory, gathering knowledge for knowledge, a sake is term pure or basic research. That is the theoretical based research. Research concerning some natural phenomena or relating to pure mathematics are example of fundamental research. Similarly, research study concerning human behavior on with a view to make generalization about human behavior are also an example of fundamental research. But research aims at a certain conclusion, say a solution facing create social or business problem is an example of applied research. Research to identify social, economical, or political trends that may affect a particular institution or they copy research to find out whether certain communication will be read and understood or the making research or evaluation of research are example of applied research. Research to identify a social, economical, political trend that may be affect particular institutions or they copy researcher to find out whether certain communication will be read and understood generally or the making research or evaluation research are example of that is the applied research. Thus, the certain aim to applied research is to discover a solution for some pressing practical problem, whereas basic research is directly toward the finding information that have been broad base of applications and thus at the already existing organized body of scientific knowledge. In other types of research we will discuss in next lectures. Okay, thank you.